Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 E400 4MATIC coupe. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a 3-liter V6 twin turbo pushing out 329 horsepower and 354 pounds of torque. Up front we've got a diamond style grille with illuminated star. Also included is the AMG line package, which is going to give you 19-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels, AMG interior and exterior lines. This one does come with the Premium 2 package, which is going to give you an adaptive high beam assist, lighting package with the LED front and rear lighting, saddle brown leather interior, pano sunroof, spoiler, E400 4MATIC badging, set of clean floor mats. Come alongside, this one does come with the blind spot assist, light brown wood trim, Burmeister sound system, heated and cooled seats, ambient lighting, touchpad steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, 10.25 widescreen media display, rear view backup camera, navigation, dual climate controls, hard keys for a media display, wireless charging, USB ports, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns, parking cameras. This E400 4MATIC coupe has 25,832 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this E400 4MATIC coupe, check out feldmanimports.com.